Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Muhammad Afzal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see what is an activity and life cycle of the activity. So let's begin the video. What is an activity? Every single screen with some UI design is known as activity. Every activity will have one Java file and one XML file. Okay, we'll learn what is Java and XML in depth in the upcoming videos. Following are the four states in activity: does not exist, foreground, pause, and background. These are all the four major states in activity. And following are the seven major methods in activity: on create, on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, on restart, and on destroy. These are all the seven major methods in activity. So let's see one example. I'm connecting my mobile. I'm clicking one of the application like WhatsApp. I'm clicking. From the does not exist state, it will come to the foreground state by calling three major methods: on create, on start, on resume. From does not exist state, it will come to the foreground state by calling these three methods. As you can see, there is a list of chat. This is the first activity. From does not exist state, it will come to the foreground state. If I click one of the chat, it will navigate to the next activity. As you can see, what about the first activity? The list of activity, where it will be gone? It will be in background state by calling two major methods: on pause, on stop. By calling these methods, it will be go in the background, and the second activity in the foreground state. For example, by mistake I click on the power button. What is the state of my activity now? It is on pause state. By calling on pause method, it will be go in the pause state. And if I click on the power button now, it will come again to the foreground state by calling on resume method. Okay, by calling on resume method, it will come to the foreground state. For example, if I click on the back button, my current activity will be destroyed. What I am trying to say, if I click on the back button, my current, like my second activity, will be destroyed by calling three major methods: on pause, on stop, on destroy. By calling these three methods, it will be destroyed. And my background activity, my first activity, from background to it will come to the foreground by calling three methods: on restart, on start, on resume. So who will manage this all things? You don't need to manage this all thing. If your application is having subtype of android.app.activity, then this activity will manage this all things. What is your activity state, like in which state your activity is, it will be handled. So that's end our video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.